$4 million to the Salvation Army, a great contribution to homeless youth, and they're helping keep carols free to the public as well. So what about another round of applause, folks, for the Salvation Army and, of course, Woolworths. But while you're at it, keep that applause going for one of Australia's all-time great acts as they pay tribute to the great work, you love them, that the Salvos do in the community. They've got a new song from their Motown album, Reach Out. Here they are with I'll Be There. Ladies and gentlemen, Human Nature.
You and I must make a path. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. I reach out my hand to you. I have faith in all you do. Just call my name and I'll be there. Oh, I'll be there to comfort you. Build my world, the dreams around you. So glad that I found you. There with a love so strong, I'll be your strength. I'll keep holding on. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness, well, that's all I'm after. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be there to protect you. Oh, baby, with a not selfish love that respects you. Just call my name and I'll be there. Oh, yeah. I'll be there to comfort you. Fill my world, the dreams around it. I'm so glad that I found you. I'll be there with a love so strong. I'll be your strength. Don't you know I keep holding on? Yeah, yeah. If you should ever find someone new, I hope he better be good to you. 'Cause if he doesn't, then I'll be there. Don't you know, baby, yeah, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there, yeah, yeah. Just call my name and I'll be there. I'll be there for you, baby, yeah, yeah. Just call my name and I'll be there. Oh, oh, oh. Just call my name and I'll be there.
Human Nature, ladies and gentlemen, a new album, Reach Out, in the stores. Coming up next, we've got Paulini, Becky Cole, Adam Brand, stars from the new drama Headland, Nikki Webster and opera sensations Amelia Ferrugia and tenor Australis. You're watching Carols in the Domain.